Hello guys, join me, let's make a mini vegetable soup together, okay? So in this pot I have some cow leg, cow beef, cow tripe and some stockfish. I bought this meat 3 days ago and I put it inside the freezer because I wasn't ready to make the soup yet. So today that I'm ready, I brought it out and I just put inside the pot for the meat to warm up a little bit. Meanwhile, I have some yellow pepper, red pepper and some onions. I'm going to blend all this together and I will pour it inside the pot. Okay, please, you guys should pardon me any noise you'll be hearing from the background because my baby is here and he's really disturbing. So moving on guys, I allow the meat to boil out a little bit and then I went ahead and I poured my blended yellow, red pepper and onion. So now I'm going to give it a very nice stir and then I will cover it to cook for some minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes, I came back and I checked on the soup. You can see it's cooking nicely. Now I'm going to add some seasoning cube. This is my vegetable seasoning cube. I've already shown you guys before if you've been following me for long. Then after adding my seasoning cube, I added some salt because the salt I used to steam the meat was very little. Okay, so after adding the salt, I'll go ahead and add some blended crayfish. Okay, and then I'm going to stir everything together again. So after stirring it together, I will go ahead and add my palm oil. All right, please, if you're watching this video to those points and you haven't liked this video, please, I'm begging you at those points, please like the video. It helps Facebook to suggest my video to other pages or other people to see. All right, please like the video, drop a comment what you think about the video, and also try to follow my page if you haven't followed the page. Okay, so now I'm adding some palm oil. Add your palm oil, stir it together again. Make sure you're stirring your food, it's very important. All right, so after stirring it, you're going to cover the pot to allow the palm oil to cook very well. Remember, we didn't fry this palm oil, we only pour it inside the pot, the pot of soup. And make sure you are not stingy with your palm oil because vegetable soup need a lot of palm oil. Okay, if not, your soup will not even come out very well. So make sure you don't stingy with your palm oil. And before you cover this pot of soup to cook, make sure you test it to see if everything is on point, like your salt, your seasoning cube, and like the pepper too. So here is another ingredient. This is my ogiriokpe. This ogiriokpe is an Igbo people spices. I don't know what they use to make this ogiriokpe. Like it give your soup one native taste, that this unique native taste. I love ogiriokpe. I'm not from Igbo, but I love using ogiriokpe to cook my food because I don't know how to explain it. So I'm going to blend that ogiriokpe together with another crayfish. Later on, I'm going to add it. Meanwhile, as you can see, I've already add my vegetable because after the oil cook for like 10 minutes, I came back and I added my vegetables. You can see, and this vegetable is called greens vegetable. I know I didn't show you guys, but if you are following me, last week I uploaded a video when I went to the market to buy this vegetable and other things. So this is the vegetable. Okay, ever since I put it, I washed and sliced vegetable and I kept it in the freezer because like I said before, I wasn't ready to make the soup, so I just have to clean everything up and then put them there. So this is called green leaf in Nigeria. I don't know what they call it here, but this is definitely not spinach. It's called green leaf vegetable. So I added the vegetable and I'm going to give it a very nice stir the vegetable together because as you all know, vegetable doesn't take long to cook. Just 2 minutes, it's enough for vegetable. So I added the crayfish that I blended together with my ogiriokpe, and now I'm going to stir everything together. After stirring it together, I will allow this soup to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, because vegetable doesn't take long to cook. 1 to 2 minutes is enough for vegetable to cook. So guys, at this point, my soup is ready and I'm just going to follow up with this soup with some pounded yam. All right, if you know, you know. If you're watching this video to those points and you haven't liked the video, please, I'm begging you again, like the video and drop your comment what you think about the video. If you're watching from YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell when you subscribe so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. If you're watching from Facebook, you know what to do. Please follow the page, all right, to get more updates from me. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you guys learned something for this video. See you all in my next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed.